Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a Bluetooth device in your Windows or computer, and might as well how to connect a headphone or earpods using your Bluetooth device in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to search for settings. At the bottom search bar, type settings. The moment you've typed it, the best match will appear. Double tap to open. Once you have opened your settings, go for the left side of your screen. You can see there a list of options. Here you need to look for Bluetooth and devices, which I can see here next to system. Tap that. Okay. So once you've tapped it, go with the Bluetooth and make sure that your Bluetooth device is on. Okay. So simply click this button to turn it on. If in your case it is off, then proceed to add device. Tap that. And here you need to proceed to Bluetooth, audio device, mice, keyboards, phones, pens, controllers, and more. Click it, and here it will adding a device. Make sure your device is turned on and discoverable. Select a device below to connect. Okay? So just scan on the available device near to your computer. Okay? Just have to wait until any device are available here, then tap it, then connect. And if you have existing devices here connected in your computer, just simply click on connect and you have just successfully connect your headphone or earbuds in your laptop. Okay, so you can also select a phone device that you wanted to connect to. Just simply click on it and you will be able to connect such. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.